What is the midpoint price in relation to the bid-ask spread? Have you ever wondered how traders find a fair price for buying or selling options? One key concept that helps in this process is the midpoint price. So, what exactly is the midpoint price in relation to the bid-ask spread? Let's break it down. First, let's define the bid and ask prices. The bid price is the highest amount a buyer is willing to pay for an option. On the other hand, the ask price is the lowest amount a seller is willing to accept. The difference between these two prices is known as the bid-ask spread. Now, the midpoint price, sometimes referred to as the mid price, is the price that sits exactly halfway between the bid price and the ask price. To calculate the midpoint price, you simply add the bid price to the ask price and then divide that sum by 2. For example, if the bid price for an option is $2 and the ask price is $2.20, you would add those together to get $4.20. Dividing that by 2 gives you a midpoint price of $2.10. This midpoint price serves as a reference point, reflecting a fair value between what buyers are willing to pay and what sellers are willing to accept. It is important to note that this is not necessarily the price at which trades happen, but it does provide a useful indicator of market balance and the current value of the asset. In the world of stock trading and options, the midpoint price is particularly helpful. It allows traders to assess whether the prices they are considering for their trades are favorable compared to the market. If a trader sees that the midpoint price is $2.10, they can compare this with the bid and ask prices to determine if their trade is reasonable. Additionally, since both the bid and ask prices can change frequently due to market conditions, the midpoint price also fluctuates in real time. This means that traders need to stay alert to these changes to make informed decisions. Understanding the midpoint price in relation to the bid-ask spread is essential for anyone getting started in options trading. It provides a balanced view of the market price, helping traders navigate their transactions more effectively. So, the next time you look at an option, remember to consider the midpoint price as a helpful guide in your trading journey.